Good morning and welcome to Coffee Across. Let's do some camera work today. Actually, let's get jittery. Oh, life-giving coffee. Yeah, changes everything. All right, so let's play the game real quick. Show you what we're at, what we're all about. Really? There we go. Okay. Cam, look, target. Alrighty. There's my look target. Let's set that up. Next, we're going to do add events. Game event, global update, on late update, actions, game objects, movement, look at. Okay, let's get our main camera. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Burp. Punto, punto. Punto, punto, punto. Punto, punto, punto. Punto, punto, punto. 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 It's puntos. 4 puntos. Let's see here. Okay, now one position. Let's make another position. Come on, bud. Time to get more jittery. Let's get some coffee. Hi. I love you too, baby. Nobody's watching.
No?
No. Or maybe people are watching, but they're not saying anything. And that's okay. I love you too, baby. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Come on! Come on! Hey, Joshua Chu, let's get jittery. Add action. I just got right to it, man, so let me catch you up on what I've been doing this morning. Let me finish my thought here, and I will get you. Let's see. Let's go to reflected actions. Between extensions. From look to, no, move to. There we go. Let's see this one. No. Delete this one. Transfer vector 3. Use type. Okay. Same but different. Let's get a couple of these. Let's see. Position can't look at target, but let's also get. Okay, Josh, I'm rebuilding my camera work, and this time I'm going to use some look at targets to make it look a little smoother. So, we're working on a camera script to hook it up. Give me a second, and I will hook you up with action, game objects, get position and rotation. Let's get rid of rotation. Let's get boom. Boom. No rotation. No rotation. Okay, I need to do it again. Variable. Position. Okay, let's get this going again. What I've done is, and I'll go through the physical setup so you understand what's going on. Put a couple points into the world. That, let's see, let's just save quick. So I now have there's my main camera. Let's go look at it. You can see the icon there. It's looking down this axis, and it now has a cube in the world that I'm using as my look at point. Right? So the camera will always be looking at this, but this is where it likes to hang out for now. Right? Now, instead of moving the camera, rotating it, doing everything directly to the camera, what we're doing is the camera always looks at this point, right? And if I animate this square, the camera updates to follow it. So, yes, instead of me moving the cameras around or changing the cameras, basically what I'm doing is I'm going to move the whatchamacallit. I'm going to move this look at point, and the camera's going to follow it smoothly, right? Or at least that's the idea. So to do that, I set up a couple of positions. Let's select this one as reference points for me to always move this square to and from, right? So there's point 1, there's point 2. Point 2 is sort of middle of the screen when the thing comes up, and then point 1 is our starting position, right? So I called them point cam look at 1, point cam look at 2. I brought them in here. I now have some point 02. Okay, here we go. And what we're going to do is, now that we've got messages to know when the panel opens and closes, I've already come down here to set up when the signals come in. Right, so receive signal. Okay, what signal did I receive? Compare it to what I'm looking for. If it's message open panel, do this stuff. Okay, now the other piece that makes this work is on late update owner, because this script goes on the camera. That way I won't have to always update this in case I change the camera name. And this is always look at this, look at target. So now basically I've created a handle so that the camera, will always look at whatever thing that I've got going on. So I can control the point to control the camera. And it's a little easier because since cameras need to be kind of smooth, but I don't want to lose the positions of where he's at, I can now start to play with giving myself some reference points. So you'll see that this is a much smoother, hopefully much smoother animation style, because what we'll do is iTween extensions. Let's grab this cube game object, right? When the panel opens, we will grab this cube, camera look at target. We will move to position 2, right? In, let's call it 1 second. Let's call it 0.6 seconds. That's going to be pretty close. No delay. We don't need that. And we'll leave this ease in cubic for now. And then let's go ahead and set up coming back. No. Okay. Set it coming back, right? Because this is our message close panel, ready to go. And what we will do is just switch out this camera position so that the cube will go there, right? Let's see how this goes. Does that make sense, Josh? How are things going, man? Are you working on your own stuff? Do 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 do. Yup, yup. Is it going well? Dude, I can't wait to see what you're working on now. What's happening? Okay, cherry is the main focus again? Dude, I think you just need to do World 5. Wow, man, dude. 6 is it, huh? You've finally decided that that's going to be the end point? Okay, the cube's moving right. But I am not getting my update of the camera. Yeah, well, that's always the danger. Feature creep, dude. Right. Yes. Mm-hmm. So I wonder, I'm doing this look at, and it's happening on update. I wonder if there's an iTween extension that does better at looking. Let's see. You know, instead of doing this on update, because what I'd like it to do is always look at that. I don't think that's working for me. I am moving. Moving this thing. What I can do instead is move this immediately, and then we'll do a look to on the camera at that event. That'll clean up our code a little bit as well. Proxy! Vivi! Nice. Nice. Coffee Across has turned into a little community. Yay. You guys think I need a... Oh, hi! So, I was just talking to my friend in the dorms. There was this girl, and her name was Laura. And every time you would say, like, hi, Laura, she would always turn around all dramatic and go, oh, hi! Amazing. It was, you know, you could have wrote a whole Seinfeld episode based on it. It was fucking Freaking awesome. Let's see. Actually, I don't need this. Put this. There's my main camera. Drag this in. No, come on. I think I need a new mouse. I was actually thinking about getting like some kind of crazy gaming mouse. It's not any more expensive than just doing a. Let's do this in 0.1 seconds. Let's see. Can I do 0.01? No. We'll make it 0. And we'll do this as time 0.6 time 0.6, no delay, ease type, ease in cubic, and our look at target is I don't, maybe that's, I'm making a shift. Let's do this. We don't need this one right now because I'm not doing it that way. Try this. Let's see if this gets a better result. Okay, I was using a cube as a proxy, but I'm not doing that anymore. We're just going to go straight to those points. Maybe I don't need that cube. Hi, proxy. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Do do do. Do 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 beady beady. Oh yeah, you can tell that coffee's starting to work because I'm making sounds. I'm making sounds. Okay, we got our look. It's interesting. It makes it like, yeah, what are you gonna do? There's a fish in the air, sucker. You gonna do something? Bam! Do that shit. All right. Now let's do a little zoom work. Come on. Nom nom nom. Yeah, it's been a while since you tuned in. We're doing some stuff. So Josh, I figured out, I think this delay action going on, I might be running out of hard drive space. Because it seems to only happen when I broadcast. Not only, but it becomes exacerbated when I broadcast. Like it takes longer. But also, whatchamacallit, Uscript's not liking coming back since Unity 5, and I think it like I can play and stop much faster without Uscript going. So like there's like a double hit going on here. Let's see, blah 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 blah. Slice cam begin. Slice cam. Okay, that's all going. I'm gonna ditch the script. Boom. Whoa. Feedback. So I'm not going to. So move the camera in. I'm just going to change the FOV. Let's see, set float. that seems to be how I was doing that. Get rotation. This is all stuff for that crappy way I was doing it. Now I'm just going to do some FOV work. And instead of moving the camera in and doing a push, we're just going to try a zoom, make it 70 style. No, because I think the video cache. So this Unity, etc., sets up a virtual cache on wherever you're on your hard drive, and I think that's what I'm losing space on because I've got a good amount of RAM. I went and jacked my computer with RAM, so it shouldn't be a RAM problem. And this scene's not that big. I think what it is the video cache from OBS and Unity not liking each other or filling up more space than I think they are. Okay, let's go back to BSF camera. No. And let's paste. Set float. So I had 60. What's my current camera FOV? Is FOV 60. So this is where we come back. We're going to use this. Let's see. And action. Let's see. On graph enable. And action. Game objects. What I want to do. Let's see. Get camera from game object, and this way I won't have to always set up a camera slot. Any camera or any game object I stick this to will output linked variable camera this. Fuck it. This camera. Save. Sorry. Make public. It's going to write that. And what will you do is use that variable down here. And this. No. Oh, come on. Does it want a freaking game object? It does want a game object. Variable owner. It's actually easier. All right. So we're going to set the FOV on the owner while I clean the spit off my screen. All right. Now, I'm going to do this again. Set this float up here. This there. And just for investigation, because I'm not going to set this a bunch of times, we're going to do zoom FOV. We're going to set this to 30. Make public. Because I don't think what I'd like it to do is do a nice smooth zoom, not just pep pep with the. Right now, what it's going to do is it's going to change the FOV almost instantly and then change it back. So. Yeah, more HD space is cheap, but I think it might also be time. We're getting on time for me to get a new computer, I think. Compiling. Okay, so now the camera should pop in and pop out. See, it popped into 30 FOV. It's too much. Let's test this. Go to our main camera. Or for fuck's sake. And zoom FOV. Let's try 40. Okay. All I'm looking for is the right FOV. Let's close this. See how it popped? Okay. Ping! Sushi. See the sushi proxy? Okay, now let's do this. Let's open up ours in Uscript again. Ah, Mickey Ficky me. Okay. Let's see, 0.6 seconds is a little slow. Let's do like 0.5. Let's make this one 0.5. Okay, now let's do, it's getting there first. Let's look for an eye-tween. Action, eye-tween. Bloop, 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 bloop. Doo, 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 doo. I just want to tween two numbers. Let's see if there's an interpolate. Action. Math. Float. What I want to do, is that going to get me what I want? All I want is a float. I don't want to interpolate quaternion. Okay, A, B, and time. No, don't like that. Let's try selected. Let's try properties. All right, let's figure this out. Action. Eye-tween. I'd like to do a smooth zoom thing. Well, I might have to do my own homegrown something. Let's look at math again. Maybe there's ways for me to do. Beach party. Is it gonna be? No, I don't want to do that. Is it not gonna be that? Is it gonna be something like? How am I going to do this action? Camera for game object. Let's try doing something to the float. No. You got any ideas, Josh? Huh. You're having trouble staying awake? Oh my god! Oh, interpolate float. It's going to be smooth, so I'm not going to be able to get much more. Let's see. Time 0.5. Start value 60. End value is 40. Let's do that. We're going to unhook this. No, 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 no. God damn it. Output value. Josh, if you have questions about this later, Proxy, if you have questions about this, let me know. I will. No, I wasn't trying to smoothly move it. I'm trying to smoothly animate the FOV. So what I needed is a math function just to change this integer. Or sorry, this look, I'm still asleep. This float, and the float has to go from 60 FOV to 40 FOV, and we're going to interpolate that. This node will keep sending values to set float while it's interpolating, and so I will do that down here. And this is a generic interpolation, like an interpolate float function. And I don't remember if this is Uscript or if this is, let's see, begin. Kill this. Let's see. Start value and end value this time are going to be flipped because I want it to come back to normal and have 0.5 seconds. While we're interpolating, we'll go there. Let's see, create a linked variable. There we go. All right, now let's try that. Morning stretch. It's so strange dealing with the delay. It's like oddball, dead moments while I'm waiting for responses. Okay, so that's compiled. Let's kill this. Go over here. We should get an interesting. Oh, Pointing. All right. Almost. Oh, did it seem to you that the zoom popped on its way back? All right, let's open this up. Uh-huh. It sure did. It sure did. All right, Janice. We got some real energy here. Can you feel it? All right, Janice. There we go. We found the pop. We got our delay in. Time. Is there a delay on this? There is a delay. We're going to put it... No, not on that one. No. I can make it smooth. We don't want it to loop. Smooth, true. Smooth, true. Is it smooth, Cross? Smooth, man. Let's actually put a slight delay on it. We're going to do this because I don't want it to start zooming at the water. I want it to kind of get looking. And what we'll do is we'll make this 0.3 seconds, and we're going to drop a delay in of 0.2, and action time delay, not a single frame, 0.2, and put in after delay begin. Same thing. Actually, I'm going to leave the zooming back alone, because coming back I might want it to just come straight back, and I might flip the positions on these so that it starts to zoom back. Okay. What do you think, guys? I think I need a haircut. I'm starting to get shaggy dog again. Time for my twice yearly haircut. Although it does give me the wild professor look. Ping, pow, 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 pew, sushi. Now it's on the barrel. Okay. Now, whose ass I gotta kick to get myself a beer? Oh, yeah, it gives me a little bit of that crazy professor, like, hey, let's get professory. Don't mind me. Let's see. 0.2 and 0.3 feels pretty good on a zoom in, but let's actually, I'm going to make the zoom a little bit faster, so it's going to get there at 0.1 second ahead of time, and I feel like the zoom back could be, let's try faster. Oh man, the hour's up. But I want to get to one more thing going on in here. We're quickly running out of... so this is episode 50, almost 1 year, guys. In 2 weeks, I'm going to add an element to this because I'm going to start working on the game during the week so that I can do an update and during the first part of the show to show you what I did during the week, and then the last half will be, okay, well, let's go tune some stuff, and I'll tell you why I'm tuning stuff. It's just a slightly different process. Thanks, Prox. All right. So strange that the camera does that. Pang. Pow. Pow. Sushi. Pew. Ching. All right. Okay. Ha. Let's. It's starting to feel pretty good. Slice. Let's get a couple of. Oh man, did you see? I broke the machine there. Yeah, is that by far your favorite thing? It feels good, doesn't it? It's nice. I've got some bugs I gotta fix. Boom. Ping. All right. Pew. Sushi. Okay, now let's. I'm going to do a couple of things. No more scripting today. Let's just sort of set ourselves up for success here. Where did I put... Here's our slicing set. Fish spawner. Back there. Okay, we're not doing that anymore. Josh, you're right. I need to do a random spawn inside the pool. And there's no reason to literally bring the fish down here. But what I want you to do... yeah, it is oddly satisfying. It's really satisfying. You're like, ping! Oh, a fish. You're like, oh, I sliced it. Sushi. But we do want, see the word bubble that I put over his head? Right? We do want that, right, to trigger. So this is going to be its own system here, and you're going to believe that a fish came in down the river. But that's all smoke and mirrors. The player will think, oh, the fish is there, and they'll try to do some, I'll just catch it when it comes out the bridge. You know, what we'll do is I'll do something like it appears and disappears, right, or something like that, so that you get like, oh, I heard something come in. You're like, oh, shit, I can't catch it there, and then we'll spawn it out here in the lake or the pond. So let's do spawn fish. Let's move this to the center of the lake-ish. Let's look top down. Okay. Move it to somewhere near the center. And what we're going to do is set up kind of a grid for now, since I haven't determined how many fish I want to spawn or when or where yet. But what we're going to do is duplicate that. Spawn fish underscore point underscore 1. Okay. Now we're going to attach this. I'm actually not going to use this fish spawner. We're going to use this as a. I'm starting to call things groups. It's like a group of fish spawners, right? Now we're going to start moving these around. Let's get the first one. And I am going to do them left to right across the top of the lake. Let's delete this one. There we go. Duplicate. Move it to about there. I'm just going to eyeball this so that I don't really care that it's a regular pattern. I just care that get full lake coverage at about the same distance. Then we're going to take all of these and we're going to, oh, well, first of all, we're remove that component off of these. Then we're going to take all of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're going to 2. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the row, and then what we're gonna do here. You know, I'm not going to bother with some kind of complex system yet. Let's just, let's not get crazy with the naming system. Move 5 of these points down a little bit. 5 more. 5 more. Okay. And I'll leave the naming system they've got. Yes, it is blind samurai fishing after all, not just old man fishing. Old man fishing is a different game. It's just a lot of old manery. Okay, so now we've got 4 times 5. We've got 20 spawn points. I'm going to leave those for later. I'm not going to do any more scripting today. And then this set needs to be set up. What is this thing? Here. Sprite, thought sprite. It's a thought sprite. Move this more to be in line with the bridge. Okay, let's rotate it slightly. Move it local more to the center of the bridge, and we'll make this look more like a thought sprite next week or the week after. Where basically we'll hear like splish splash, splish splash, and then we'll get like a fish picture or a question mark or something like that. Like a sprite will show up. It'll be like, bam! Oh, I got an idea what's down there, right? And then we'll do some different fish types. And then I gotta set those up, but we're pretty close here, guys, to having like a full proto. Let's see, where's this panel? This panel is actually in the wrong place. We are going to set this to width. Yep, come on. You can do it. And we're going to base this on width bottom, actually, which is here. Position Y should be 0. Height, we're going to make this 60 units high. 0, and position Y should be 30, so that it's up off of the bottom. Let's look at the game view. See it down here? Okay. That's going to be where you see the icon of the customers coming across. I need to replace this this guy here with a sushi table. Maybe I might move it up a little bit. So that when you catch fish, the sushi shows up here, and the customers will stand right here and eat the sushi. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. And then we'll make a bunch of different versions. But they'll start out down here, moving right to left as, you know, icons of customers coming. And then I'll put a little table down here to show how close they are to being here. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna call it, and then maybe I'll do some of this work this week and start my new year format a little early. I really kind of want to play this game soon because it's starting to get interesting and kind of fun. Right? Actually, let's do it one more time. One more time. Bing. we also have to animate him so that he's actually slicing the fish. Give him a couple props, maybe a sword. Pew! Hi. I'm going to my fisherman. Pew! Ping! Ping! Okay, I know about where he's at. Let's try it one time without our brick showing us where we're at. Turn off the mesh renderer. Okay. Whoa, where's the fish? I don't know. I'm looking for him. I'm looking. I think. Oh, I found one. Yay! Bing! And there it is. That's where we're at. Alright guys, thanks. Signing off.